I'm Kian. Dolphins explore the oceans all over the world. And no matter where they live, dolphins are curious. And their curiosity leads them to get creative.
For example, they may use tools, like putting a sponge on their rostrums to protect the front of their faces while they dive down in search for fish hidden in the rocks and sands.
That's right, Chris. All their creativity inspires a deep connection when they share their skills with the whole dolphin community.
Here at SeaWorld, we're always looking for new and fun ways to enrich the lives of dolphins that live here. Maybe it's swimming with them, giving them toys, meeting other species of animals in front of the glass. The possibilities are endless.
These varied enrichment experiences encourages curiosity and play, which leads to creativity and learning. As you can see,